Look and listen to this. How bad was that accident really? What if it sounded like this? What we hear affects what we think we see. It might look like these guys are stealing a car, but they're actually recording sounds that will become effects for Hollywood movies.
Awesome. It's great. It's beautiful. Okay, that's the dense concrete. Let's throw it through the front windshield.
David Lukezic is recording these sounds on a hard disk system.
It's called the Diva. It's a 4-track recorder. Everything's recorded on a hard drive. No tape, so we can pump it right into our computer.
While this may not be what you think of as a movie set, it does have a real star.
So this is Harry. This is really the only, we had this specially made. This is a 4-track recorder. We just nicknamed him Harry.
Harry is shaped like a human head. His microphones are in the same place you'd find human ears. Harry records sounds the same way you would hear them, if you're willing to stick your head where Harry does.
He's a warrior. He's been through everything. This guy's, he's been pummeled. he's still alive.
Good equipment is important for making good recordings, but you still have to have good sounds.
I like to hear something that's really compact, something that's really tight, and I love debris. If I get one good pop, that's good, but when you get debris, you could tell what metal or what type of metal that you're actually squeaking, so it's nice.
David is determined to harvest every possible sound from these cars. Every time it seems he's done everything he possibly can, he comes up with something else.
Well, at least we got the trunk open.
And what David can't record in the field, he brings back to the studio and records it there.
So our problem when we were in the field was wind. We actually did have some birds. Wind through the trees, and we had severe echo every time we hit the car.
Unlike loud car crashes, cracking glass is delicate and natural sounds could interfere. David wants clean sounds. These effects will be used as what they are, but they may also become something entirely different. This cracking glass could be just that, or it could be the sound of something freezing, or a bird coming through an egg.
We're trying not to do one effect just as a single effect and then you throw it away. We always want to go back to it so we don't have to keep doing this.
After he's satisfied he has all the sounds he needs, David goes to work on them.
Now these are original sounds that came right from our location. It doesn't become much, it doesn't sound like much, but that's the purpose of it. That's our big impacts we were talking about that we'll mix in later on. Glass breaks. That's where we had the sledgehammer through the doors, and then we actually went into the cars being dropped.
One of the first things David does is adjust the EQ, or equalization. That's how much bass and treble the sound has. Sometimes you want less bass. Sometimes you want less treble. But usually, David just wants more bass.
It's all about listening, but you got to feel it too.
And bass does that, which might be the real secret behind movie sound effects. To feel the sound, movie theatres have powerful subwoofers, speakers designed to deliver low frequencies that normal speakers can't. Frequencies between 18 and 40 hertz. All speakers work by creating different degrees of air pressure at different frequencies. The lower the frequency, the greater the pressure.
Everything with sound is about air. With the speakers here, if it's loud enough, your hair will move. It's all about speakers pumping out air. So we want to move a lot of air in here. And if we play this in a theater, we want people to go, wow, like that's a serious accident.
And that's what David has been working on, a serious car accident.
The purpose of all the recording that we did on our last location was to do a car rollover, probably 4 rotations and down.
David has layered the sounds he recorded using a computer program called Pro Tools.
This will be our... So we're dropping the car. Okay, on the other car we've about 7 or 8 of these different types of effects. And I'll play one more. We have 9 different versions that we actually recorded. All right. Now some of the debris that we recorded earlier in the studio. Again, doesn't sound like much, but you know, it sort of makes sense at the very end.
And it does make sense in the end. For 10 seconds we get to hear and feel a devastating accident.
So I hear it going, rolling over and going boom and then rolling. And every time I hear it banging, that's because it's hitting on its wheels. So bang, roll, bang, and then the final crash. And if I can close my eyes and listen to it and say, I like that, and if I was in that car, there's nothing left of the car, and I can feel it and the room shakes, I'm happy.
Take a nice, easy tour of this here old...
Next time you're at the movies and wonder how your favourite star walked away from an accident like this, remember not to believe everything you hear.